Today we are going to have a chocolatey day at Cadbury World.
This morning we are waking up in the chalet backpackers right in the middle of Dunedin, and as you can see the weather is a little bit grim, but we have the perfect activity for a rainy day in Dunedin, which is the Cadbury World Chocolate Factory Tour. So we're making our way there now. We are in the Octagon,
The Octagon.
centre of Dunedin.
And what is there here, Al? What can we
There's a
see?
statue, there's some sort of cathedral, and loads of shops, and the street is shaped like an octagon. There we go. That's all because I
Efficient.
pressed on a button.
Yeah.
It's amazing how cities work.
It has been a while since Laura has been into a city. We've been in the wild for a very long time and she's really amazed at how city works. It's crazy. And in no time at all we arrive at Cadbury World, where we're going to be enjoying an awesome factory tour. But there's a little bit of a caveat. We cannot film during the tour. They are too scared for any pieces of plastic or glass that may fall into their factory lines, and so filming and any even cell phone is forbidden to enter the tour. So for this entire video we're going to be showing you visuals from their mini museum as well as from their gift shop, and we're going to be telling you what the tour is all about, but without any of the visuals. But there is still some good news out of today, because chocolate is best enjoyed with friends. So one of my mates called Chris is going to be joining us for our tour today. However, he's a little bit camera shy, so that shot right here is going to be the only shot you're going to see of him. That's a really lovely back of the head. So with all of that out of the way, we are going to be starting telling you a little bit about the tour. The tour starts straight away from the counter, where we are being taken toward the room where we have to basically let go of all of our belongings. We all get a little bit of a locker where we're going to be putting our bags, where we're going to be putting our cell phones and everything in our pockets. We are basically stripping down to go for that factory tour.
Then we meet our tour guide called Rebecca, who is dressed in some lovely purple dungarees, which kind of reminds me of the Oompa Loompas from Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory, which is perfect for this tour. And then we are moving on to the sensory room. Here we learn about the chocolate making process through a flow chart. We also get to make our own creations by pouring different sorts of toppings and chocolate into a little plastic cup so we can chew on that. And then we go and do a chocolate tempering demo. And then we move on to another room which has a giant tumbler in it.
In the giant tumbler room, we are learning about how to sugarcoat chocolate. This is what the process they use to make hard candies such as the Jaffa, which is a very popular kiwi candy. And the last room that we visit is a giant salo with a massive chocolate fountain in it. It's really awesome. Basically, we are walking into the silo, making our way all the way up it, and then from there the lady is turning off the lights, pressing on a massive button, and a huge amount of chocolate is just falling down, making a massive ruckus and splashing all of us with a lot of chocolate. Why did we do that? Just because we can. There is literally absolutely no reason for it. But one of the most biggest appeal of any chocolate factory tour is the chocolate itself. And during the whole tour, Rebecca gave us a plastic bag that we could fill up with a lot of different chocolate candy as we were going. Either she was asking us trivia question and if we answer we get some chocolate, or either it's just because you were looking really sexy with your beautiful French accent and you got some chocolate anyway. So we start filling up our bags, but I just can't resist and I start eating my chocolate every single time as soon as she gave them to me. So I ended up finishing the tour with almost nothing in my bag, while Laura, the little squirrel that she was, succeeded to save up all of her chocolate for later on down the road. Speaking of road, this is where we finish our tour. Alright, so Laura and I just finished this Cadbury Chocolate World tour, and this is my bag, because I stuffed myself for the whole tour. This is Laura's bag. So I think I'm gonna have to spend the next 2 weeks stealing chocolate from her, because that's what I have. And the lady didn't let me use the chocolate fountain to fill up my bag for health and safety, but I think she's just caring too much for my health. I don't like that. I don't care about my health. Give me chocolate. I really don't know how much chocolate they were eating if they were delivering chocolate through tubes like those. That's a lot of chocolate.
At the end of the tour, we head to the Cadbury Cafe, where we get a discount because we did the tour, and we are getting some pretty awesome hot chocolates right here. Robin's having a dream hot chocolate, I'm having a caramello mocho, and Chris is having something called a pinky, which looks very interesting. But anyway, it's an awesome way to spend the afternoon drinking way too much hot chocolate and feeling a little bit sickly after it. But we have more adventures to come in Dunedin, so make sure to join us for some more.